Let's have a look at how we can use the item tracing function. So I will search for item tracing. So and this is a function that will display information based on the filters that you enter on the header. The serial number filter, the lot number filter, item, and so on. And you can trace from usage to origin or the other way around, from origin to usage. So let's look at an example, and I would like to trace the information based on this serial number. So this is the projector that we sold to one of our customers, but the customer returned it and so on. So when I want to see the information, all the transactions and the entries based on this serial number. So I have entered the serial number filter, and next, by clicking here on process, I can run the trace function. So here you can see now all the information, so all the entries that are posted with this specific serial number. And again, it's from usage to origin. And here you can see that the last transaction posted for this serial number was a transfer receipt. So it seems that the item is transferred to location west from location main. So here you can see all the transfer entries. Then there is a return receipt, so the customer returned the item because it was damaged, for example. Then there's the sales shipment, so which is the document that we have used to ship the item to the customer. And then, of course, also the purchase receipt header that we posted when receiving the item. And so from usage to origin. You can also track the other way around. And then if you run the trace function again, then of course everything starts with the purchase document, then the sales shipment, and so on. So that's a very interesting view for your item tracking information. Of course, for each line, you can also enter the relevant document. So if you click on line and then show document, in this case, the program will display the sales shipment header with all the other information that is available here. And so I can do the same for the return receipt header and so on. So this is how we can use the item tracing function and the information that is displayed here in the item tracing function.